What's up guys, Joey here, Fugotech, and OPPO went back to the drawing board and completely redesigned the Find X2 Pro. The first Find X was released close to 2 years ago and it took OPPO quite some time to release the successor. Well, it's here and we've taken the Find X2 Pro for a nice spin in the last couple of weeks. When OPPO first introduced the Find X, it introduced a sliding camera mechanism that nobody else had thought of. While the approach has its merit, OPPO abandoned that in favor of a more practical solution. OPPO went back to the basics with the design of the Find X2 Pro. It's simple yet elegant. It has that premium look and a solid build that you can really feel when you first hold the device. It's got a chunky all-aluminum chassis with thick glass up front and a high-density ceramic coating at the back. 4 buttons and ports. The power button is on the right side while the volume controls are on the left. A noise-cancelling mic on the top right corner with 2 antenna bands. At the bottom are speaker grills, the USB Type-C port, primary microphone, and the SIM card slot all lined up from right to left. There's no headphone jack here, but the earphones that came with it use the Type-C port, so that's not going to be a problem. At the back are the triple cameras, all lined up vertically on the top left corner along with the LED flash. The camera module protrudes quite a bit, which means that it'll wobble when placed on its back and tends to slide off pretty easily when the surface is not flat. Up top is an almost unencumbered display with a small punch hole on the top left for the front-facing camera. The loudspeakers are placed along the edge at the top corner so it doesn't take space away from the display, which is actually clever. The proximity sensor, on the other hand, is tucked below the display. Frankly, we like this approach better compared to the original Find X. Nothing fancy, straight to the point, and practical. If there's one thing we did not like, that would be the protrusion of the camera module at the back that can be quite annoying at times. The Find X2 Pro has perhaps the best smartphone display out there with its large 6.7-inch 3K OLED display with a refresh rate of up to 120Hz protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6. Screen resolution is changed automatically based on specific scenarios. You can choose the Quad HD or Full HD Plus mode in the settings. The Full HD Plus mode does not support 10-bit color display though. The Find X2 Pro has HDR10 Plus support, and with Netflix already preloaded, you can watch a lot of high-definition movies in rich, vivid color with sharp contrast and refined detail. Also worth mentioning that the display has a touch sampling rate of up to 240Hz, the highest we've seen in any smartphone to date. Touch sampling rate is basically the number of times a touchscreen can sense input from your finger in a second. Simply put, it's the speed at which a screen can register your touch and respond by rendering the next frame. This is mostly useful for gaming like Mobile Legends, since the game requires a lot of interaction with the screen in split-second responses. This is why a lot of game-centric phones like the ROG Phone 2 and the Black Shark 2 also have 240Hz touch sampling rates. The Find X2 Pro comes with an AI adaptive eye protection system that automatically chooses the optimal color temperature and brightness depending on your surroundings, and it helps keep your eyes feeling comfortable. The device also has a dual speaker system with the loudspeaker up top serving as the second speaker, and the sound quality is very good and produces quite a bit of bass. For hardware, under the hood is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 coupled with an Adreno 650 GPU, 12GB of RAM, and 512GB of internal storage. Performance of the Snapdragon 865 is top-notch. It chomps up anything we throw at it, as many open apps as we want. The 12GB of RAM helps for the multitasking as well, with very fast read and write speeds from the internal storage based on AndroBench. The benchmark scores of the Find X2 Pro tops most of the tests we've done in all flagship phones we've tested so far. In Antutu V8 alone, the Find X2 Pro scored over 600,000 points, beating the Samsung Galaxy S20 series, the Exynos variants, by a significant margin. With a powerful processor, large RAM, and high refresh rate, the Find X2 Pro is perfect for gaming. The gaming experience is completely smooth, and it goes without saying that the Find X2 Pro is perhaps the fastest or at the top in terms of raw performance as of now. For software, the Find X2 Pro runs on ColorOS 7.1, which is based on Android 10. If you've used an OPPO phone before, the interface should still be the same old familiar and simple interface. When it comes to connectivity, the OPPO Find X2 Pro has everything like dual nano SIM support, Bluetooth 5.1, dual band GPS, and 5G support. However, when we tested our unit with the local Smart 5G and Globe 5G, we have not picked up any 5G signal in our area yet. The Find X2 Pro packs a sizable 4,260 mAh internal battery and is capable of fast charging with up to 65 watts when using the charger that came with it. It uses two 2,130 mAh series connected cells with a total capacity of 4,260 mAh. In the PCMark Work 2.0 battery test, it managed to get an average of 9 hours and 3 minutes of battery life at 50% brightness, 0% volume, and in airplane mode. That's when we set the refresh rate at 60 Hz. However, when we set it to 120 Hz, the result was reduced to 7 hours and 28 minutes, so do take that into consideration when choosing your refresh rate. In our standard video loop test, which entails the phone being at airplane mode, 50% brightness, and 50% volume with earphones plugged in, the Find X2 Pro lasted 19 hours and 45 minutes, which is pretty good. Now for the cameras. The Find X2 Pro's cameras have some pretty big sensors, courtesy of Sony. It's a triple camera system consisting of a 48 megapixel Sony IMX689 sensor for the main camera, a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 ultra-wide, and a 13 megapixel periscopic telephoto. The rear cameras were able to capture photos with great detail, sharpness, and decent colors when shooting with natural light. Pictures at nighttime are looking really good as well with this sample shot done handheld. Here are some more sample shots to take a look at. As for selfies, you get a single 32 megapixel front-facing camera. Of course, you get a lot of AI beautification here in both standard and portrait mode that will redefine facial features, typical of OPPO. Not surprising because OPPO really popularized the selfie AI in their smartphones for the longest time now. For videos, zooming in video mode can only go up to 10x, though the maximum resolution is 4K at 60 FPS. Slow-mo shots are either 1080p or 720p, which is at 960 FPS, with the latter stretching a 5-second shot into a 1 minute and 28 second video clip. But to wrap this up, OPPO did an excellent job with the Find X2 Pro. It's a solid phone with everything you'd ever want in a flagship phone. Simple, elegant design, impressive performance, impressive display, great camera quality, and good battery life. OPPO just showed us that their phones don't need more cameras in order to produce really great photos. Sure, it took a while for OPPO to release a successor to the original Find X, but it eventually pulled through with a very strong contender this time. The Find X2 Pro has an SRP of 65,990 pesos. That's quite a hefty price, but considering it comes with a very generous amount of RAM and storage, on top of that Snapdragon 865 and 120Hz display, not to mention the great cameras and battery charging technology, it certainly justifies the extra buck. So that's it for our full review of the OPPO Find X2 Pro. What do you guys think about this phone? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey. Guys, stay safe, stay home, and stay hydrated.